That's a brown body. There! How do you learn that kind of writing? That's a good writing right there. Is there a good writing? Watching his butt never comes up from the saddle. Stop it. Look at that. You see? Now, that's the thing that when you come to this clinic, because Mr. Kyle, when he came to the first clinic, he didn't have very good seat, right?
It was a sack of potatoes.
A sack of potatoes. But look at him how he's riding now, how he's stopping the horse. Look, you see? He sits first and he pulls. Well, this horse is not even broke. Very good. Right? Am I right? But look at him. Look at him. I just want you to see what happened when you come to this clinic and learn little by little. And now he has this beautiful horse at home, Case. And you see how everything is balanced here. Even though the horse is not broke. Look, the horse is comfortable. Go ahead and gallop the horse, Mr. Carr. Look at gallop that horse a little. Look at that horse. That horse is so calm and quiet. Look at him. How his leg is. It's all the time in the back. And how he's sitting on the saddle. And now when he's just look at him. That horse is not very broad. But his butt never comes out from the saddle, and now stop it. You see, that's what happens when you come to this clinic and learn from here, and you imply that thing. It's always better. It's always better. Mr. Kyle, I'm going to be honest with you. When Mr. Kyle came first clinic, I told him he's sitting like a sack of potato, and his body is not going where he's supposed to go. And this is his fourth clinic, and look at him in a year and a half, what he's accomplished. And look at his hand. His hand never comes out from the soil. Watch this. His hand never comes out over the soil. Watch him. He's my pride, okay? This is what happens when you come and you listen. Look at him. His leg and everything. Stop him. Look at him. And that horse is not broke. Give him a big clap.